Channel. I'm trying to sneak up, so if the thing's really crappy, then yeah. Yeah, but guys, those are very nice dark clouds. They are my dream to catch one day.
Dark, gloomy. Hey!
Why did you do that?
Look at my channel, Rough Rider Pyro 22.
I don't think they're gonna know how to spell that, even if you spell it out.
Really? They don't know how to spell Rough Rider Pyro 22.
I don't think anyone is, because there's many ways to spell Rider. Yeah.
Dude, it looks so dark outside.
Yeah, it's darker on, guys. It's not that dark on. I'm going to pause it for a minute so this can get on. Be right. Sorry, guys. I forgot to tell you back. But guys, look at this sexy clouds though. It's called the life of a YouTuber.
Yeah, whatever.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
That's Kyle's thing.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, I totally forgot his YouTube channel name.
Yeah, me too.
I'm actually working on playing one.
Subscribe with cheese whistle.
Because I'm not supposed to be doing videos. Oop. Guys, there will be another video up on the channel in the next day or so called Dark Clouds. Or like
I won't be in it.
Yeah, he's not gonna be in it.
I'll be at my Meemaw.
Yeah.
Get ready, Meemaw.
Guys, she's not even subscribed.
Yeah, she is.
No, she's not. That is a lie.
No, it isn't.
Yes, it is. Guys, off the. Oh wow, oh wow, someone's hurt. No, never mind. I'll be back in a minute. Hey guys, there's more clouds, and there's the sun. Guys, we are back.
Gum. Get it in stores from Andrew's Backpack.
Yep.
Yeah, oh gosh.
It works. Dude, you freaking started. But, you would, if the video ended, I would have killed you because this has been a But, I wonder when it's gonna freaking rain though. Those clouds are looking nice.
Get your tacos.
I see that on Facebook.
Get your tacos. Get them from Ghetto Tacos. Get me Doritos. That's a good. It's called grilled chicken nachos.
Nice.
Getting old.
That is the old Casey's. And
there's
watch out for bats. And this is life. We are at school, guys.
Scale. We're at scale.
There's some bats up there.
The zoo.
Better blocking that off. Someone broke the wall, I guess.
Oh yeah.
Nobody knows what happened.
Apparently someone just built the paint. Or someone got a paintbrush and just painted the wall.
No, it was a hole in the wall.
Oh, okay. So there was a hole?
Yep, I seen it before they put that on it.
You broke it.
I have no clue. Judge me talking over here. You're not supposed to record in school. Well, I don't care. I did it a few days ago. Did you finish your math stuff? I only have one problem. That's the last one. Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Still recording. Okay.
No, this is Andrew accidentally forgot to stop recording.
No. See you guys.